Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Heath. Today we're going to work on our letter V handwriting page and the coloring the sound page. Before we do that, we want to talk about our letter V. I'm noticing, first of all, that letter V, the uppercase and the lowercase, they look the same. The lowercase is just a smaller version of that uppercase V. And V is for violin. That's the instrument that's on the picture of my letter card. V is for violin. Let's see what other words start with our letter V. Hey, look, it's a violin just like this violin. There's a violin. Whoa, look at that. It's a volcano. This is a vest. And this is a vine. Our letter V makes the V sound. To say that sound, I'm pushing my teeth on my bottom lip and I'm kind of making a sound out of my mouth and blowing at the same time. V. V says V. And that's what all of these words start with is V. Vest, volcano, violin, and vine all start with V. So let's start with our handwriting page. And I like you to put your name at the top, so that's what I'm going to start with. Make sure you have a pencil when you're doing this part. Handwriting is best done with a pencil. You will be writing with pencils for a long time in school, so it's a good idea to keep practicing. Our V is pretty simple to make. It's 2 diagonal lines. The first line goes diagonally down from this top dot, so let's draw it down diagonally. And then you're going to go diagonally back up. Big V. Let's try it again from the dot. Diagonally down or slant. That's another word to say diagonally. It's a slant down and a slant up. Slant down, slant up. I am not picking up my pencil to write the V. Slant down, slant up. I would like you to finish the big V's on this line. I'm going to move on to little v. Little v starts at that dotted line, and it's just a small version of the big V where you're going to slant down and slant back up. Slant down and back up. Again, I am not picking up my pencil, friends. Slanting down and up. Once you get good at these, you can do them a little bit faster. I would like you to finish writing your little V's on this line. Down here, you're going to practice one big V and one little V. This is going to be big V here, slant down and up. And this is a person's name with a capital letter, Vinny. Little V, down and up. And this word is van, V-A-N, van. We are going to move on to the coloring page on the back. I love these coloring pages. It helps us remember the sound of V and see what words start with our letter V sound. Remember, V says V. So I have some crayons that I'm going to circle the pictures that start with V, and I'm going to cross out the pictures that don't start with V. My first picture up here at the top is a volcano. That was one of my picture cards. Volcano starts with V. Circle that one. This is a tooth. Tooth. That does not start with V. That sounds like a T. This one, let me change colors now. This one is a vest. That was another picture card we had. Vest. Can you hear the V? That's a yes. How about this? Triangle. Triangle. No. Here's another one. Vase. Vase. Can you hear the V? Circle that one. How about this one? I need to change colors again. How about this one? Snake. Snake. Nope. And this looks like glue. Glue. That's a nope. I'm going to let you finish these 4 pictures right here. This is a violin, fish, duck, vegetables. Which ones do you think start with V? Make sure you circle them and cross out the ones that do not start with V. Thanks for doing this page with me, guys. Have a great day.